David Greene from Greene and Phillips is back with us on Studio 10. David, today we are talking about slip or trip and fall accidents and what are your legal rights if you're the victim of one of these accidents. So first off, what exactly is a slip and fall accident and how is it a legal issue?
Well, it's a premises liability case, okay? And so if you're going to a business and you slip on something in the floor or on the floor, there can be liability by the business owner or the operator. So that's a premises liability. It actually could be at someone's home. It could be a sidewalk. It could be an escalator. Many different things can be considered a premises liability case.
All right, so in those cases that you're talking about, how do you determine liability? I bet that's the hardest thing to do.
Well, it really is. And you have to show that the owner of the premises knew or should have known of the defect or they had some knowledge. And so that becomes a problem. And so how do you show that? Well, you can show that by your video, your phone, taking a video, or maybe taking a photograph of the scene or determining something that can show that that premises person that's responsible for the premises knew of that problem.
So that's the best evidence then, that video or photos for what you can do there?
Absolutely right. You know, photos are fantastic, videos are great, but any witnesses. So if you can talk to a witness while you're there, get names, get any information, that certainly helps your case.
What about security cameras in stores and gas stations and things like that? Can those be used?
They can be. And most of the time what you would need to do is to make sure you get an attorney involved so that attorney can get those items. Very crucial. We've had cases over the years where that makes the case.
All right. Well, speaking of these cases, say you're the victim of one of these. What's the next step? What do you do?
Well, you want to make sure you get medical treatment, as always, then follow up with your physician, and then talk to an attorney. Make sure you call an attorney that handles this type of case, your type of case, and then you can get answers that you deserve. And
if you do have questions seeking answers, you can always call David and his friends at Greene and Phillips Law Firm. All the contact information is on the Studio 10 tab on fox10tv.com. Thanks a lot, David.
Thanks.